Why can some factories achieve a 99.9% PCBA yield, while yours, despite having all the equipment, keeps running into more and more problems? You might think it's about people, materials, or processes, but in many cases the real issue is this: your testing setup is wrong. Many factories look like this. Every piece of equipment is in place. ICT tester, flying probe tester, FCT tester, AOI X-ray. Yet customer complaints keep coming. Rework rates stay high. Costs keep rising. So what's the problem? You're treating inspection as prevention. A wrong testing setup leads to 3 very real problems. If you mainly rely on FCT, all issues are discovered at the very last step. The board is fully assembled. Components are already soldered. Labor cost is already spent. At this point, rework isn't fixing problems, it's burning money. If you're not using AOI and X-ray, many defects are simply invisible. BGA cold joints, solder voids, micro bridges. These issues won't show up in your factory, they'll explode in your customer's hands. Some factories do this. Flying probe once, ICT again, FCT again. But in reality, redundant testing, slower cycle time, lower throughput. More testing does not equal better quality. High-yield factories don't rely on more equipment, they rely on layered testing strategies. The first layer, prevention layer. Solder paste inspection, AOI before and after placement. Stop defects at the moment they appear. The earlier you catch it, the lower the cost. The second layer, process control. Inline AOI, X-ray inspection. Ensure process stability. Prevent batch-level defects. It's not about fixing defects, it's about preventing them entirely. The third layer, electrical validation. ICT for mass production. Flying probe for prototypes and small batches. Verify electrical connections. Validate component values. The fourth layer, functional testing. FCT, simulate real-world usage. Perform final validation. AOSPI, prevent defects. ICT, flying probe, verify electrical. FCT, final acceptance. If you reverse this order, use FCT as the main tool, use ICT as a backup, ignore early stage inspection. The result will be more rework, more complaint, higher costs. So why can others achieve 99.9% yield? It's not about having better equipment, it's about putting each piece in the right place. If you're currently fully equipped but still struggling, then what you need to optimize isn't the number of machines, it's your testing strategy. You can think of the testing system as a chain. The front end intercepts defects, the middle stage stabilizes the process, the final stage validates functionality. If any stage is missing, problems will be amplified.